press the bell icon and subscribe to Eduwhere.in today. Get all the information related to your upcoming exams. Download the Eduwhere.in mobile app for easier and better preparation. SSC CHSL Important Topics. SSC CHSL Tier 1 examination will be held on the 27th of March 2020. 2 marks will be awarded for the correct answer, however, 0.50 marks will be deducted for incorrect answers. So solve wisely. Let's move towards the important topics for the SSC CHSL exam. Reasoning. Verbal reasoning will contain 12 to 13 questions and non-verbal reasoning will contain 10 questions. Here are important topics from the verbal section: classification, analogy, calendar clock, coding-decoding, numerical, alphabetical and mixed series. Non-verbal will contain questions from paper folding, cutting, mirror, water image, dice, cube, syllogism. Time and work, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, algebra, trigonometry, data interpretation, average are the important topics asked. Important topics in this section are related to current affairs like National Income, Planning Commission and 5-year plan, important days, national parks and WCS, books and authors. Important topics for English section are cloze test, grammar, fill in the blanks, synonyms and antonyms, para jumbles. Now you can visit Eduwhere to take multiple online mock tests with Eduwhere Edge Pass for 99 rupees only.